What's up guys, welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin and today we're in the state of Utah and we're right next to the most beautiful road, the Highway 12. So in this video I will be driving my Mini JCW back to back with my friend Aditya's Golf GTI. So mine is a 2016 Mini JCW and his is a 2016 or 15 Golf GTI. So yeah, so just a little bit about the mods that we have. So for both our cars, the powertrain is completely stock, so 228 horsepower, exactly the same for each cars. And then for mine I have wheels and these PS4S tires and air intake and exhaust. Oh yeah, and one more is the rear sway bar. So yeah, that's about it. And for my friend's car, he's got upgraded red stuff pads and those beautiful rotors. And there's anything missing? Clutch. And a clutch and a stage 3 clutch. So yeah, without further ado, I'll just start by taking mine first and then we'll switch off with Aditya and try out his GTI. And I'll be talking about some similarity differences about these two cars as we're driving. So let's go. So sport mode, DSC off, let's go. Dun, dun. We're good. All right, let's get started. So yeah, this is my F56 2016 Mini JCW with a JCW Pro exhaust, which you can hear the pops and bangs. And yeah, if you've been watching my channel, you know exactly what this car is and how it drives. And I made like most of my videos around this car specifically. So just to recap, this is a super cool hot hatch made by Mini, and the JCW is the top of the performance line. As you can hear, the super nice pops and crackles. And just freaking look at this view. Gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah, so one thing this car has compared to the GTI that does not have is rev matching. So if I go slow, second gear rev match perfectly done by the car. But then you can definitely turn it off. So much torque. Yeah, so you can definitely turn off rev matching, but you only do that by completely turning off the traction control. So yeah. But at least this car, you have the option to turn it on and off. Dude, these roads are perfect for minis. And yeah, I'm not driving too fast because this is only the second time I'm driving on this road. And also, I have a camera right in front of my face. And yeah, so nice. Like this car is super planted through the corners, and then the rear sway bar that I put on mediate the understeer problem for this car specifically by a lot. So you have a lot less understeer, and which makes this car a lot more neutral and fun to drive. Another thing that this car has is the adaptive suspension. So when you put in sport mode, you have a harder suspension compared to the comfort mode or like normal mode in Mini. Oh, you literally can't see anything. Let's do pull. Oh my. Sounds so good. Can't see. Damn. But damn, yeah, just look at this. Utah. What more can I say? Just look at this. If you have a friend like Aditya right there who loves driving and loves cars and loves back roads, then you definitely should come here at least once in your lifetime to experience this. Oh my, just look at this. Rev match. And the pops. Every time you downshift, there's pops. Alright, brake, turn in, let go. Here it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my car. But let's just stop here real quick to check out the rest of the road, what it looks like. And here's Aditya. So yeah, so the second half of this road literally goes through right there. You can see, go through those canyons. And as you will hear later, this Mini will pop and bang like crazy. But yeah, I'll let Aditya hop into my car and then we'll do a switch. Oi. A switch?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the GTI. Very nice. So there it is. Rev it. Nice. Yeah, I wish Aditya has the exhaust on this one, but he'll put one on later. So yeah, let's get it. We're ready. Oh, this clutch is heavy. Very freaking heavy. So I'll let him go first. No car, we're just listen to that. And listen to the blow off in this car. It sounds insane. Look. So yeah, this is the GTI. First of all, let's just talk about the steering. Actually no, let's talk about the power. So we kind of did a quick drag race earlier, and then we found out that these two cars are literally the same speed if you go on a drag race. The only difference is the gearing. So when Aditya's changing his gears, I will be like lurking forward a little bit, but then when I change, then Aditya will take the advantage in this GTI. So my rev matching, this is the part. So good. So compared to the Mini, the GTI has longer second gear, which I really like, because if you want to go fast, you don't want to always trying to decide between second and third gear, which is what I'm doing in my Mini, and it gets pretty annoying because sometimes you're like right on the top of the second, but then you're just in the middle of third, so you're like, huh, what should we do? But second is so strong in this one, and then it's like the perfect gearing in my opinion. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention that he modded is this golf ball shifter. It's a weighted one that's a lot heavier than the one from the factory. Rev match to third. Yeah, just listen to that blow off. That is freaking awesome. I'm gonna close the window. Dude, just look at this road. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, you should definitely check out this road if you like cars and you like driving, or like if you don't like cars and driving but you just like a nice road and a nice scenery. Just as Stradman says, views on views, and Utah is flexing on us. Shout out to Stradman, by the way, love his videos. Second gear pulling strong. Dude, the blow off is crazy. Oh yeah, one of the biggest difference between this car and my car is that this car has a limited slip differential, so that means you can exit the corner with a lot more confidence. And yeah, earlier today we went to Bryce Canyon, which has a lot of snow, and yeah, when you just floor it in my car, the whole front and rear just want to like step out, and then you don't know which one's gonna step out first. But then in this car, when you floor it, you just go straight, like literally you go straight, and it just pulls the power down so perfectly. But then this car with its LSD and softer suspension and more like touring setup makes this car, even though the performance is better than my car from stock, it makes this car a little more GT than I would like. So when you're just like right now, you're just cruising. When you're just cruising is so easy. Like, it's not really a challenge to drive it whatsoever, unless you're really pushing it. So it's like going to jail speed, kind of. Well, just look at the road. But then like in the Mini, in contrast, if you're just going just barely above speed limit, you still can have so much fun because you feel everything on the road. There's a torque steer that you have to fight against, and just, yeah, it's just a more fun car at a lower speed. That's all I'm gonna say. Like for this, you can have same amount of fun, but then you have to go pretty fast. But right now, this speed, still really fun, really fun. Oh my, it's off camber. Oh. This blow off is hilarious. Oh yeah, this is the best part of this road by far. And I will show you guys the scenery in a little bit when we get to the top. There it is. There it is. Nice. So yeah, that's a quick, not really detailed review of this Golf GTI. And let me just show you guys the view here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is, pretty sure this is the highest point of Highway 24, and just look at it. It's freaking awesome. Oh yeah, shout out to Aditya for letting me drive his car. And And here you go. These are the two cars. And that's it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And as always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time.